Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality, and today I have a special unboxing. I purchased a kit from Scrappassion Designs, and she has a channel here on YouTube. I've swapped with her before, and she is a wonderful crafter, and she put together this really fun kit that I'm super excited to open up. It is a Hello Kitty strawberry themed kit. She had a video featuring these, and I'll put a link to that down below as well. And then she sold a few of the kits. So I picked one up because I was in love with it. I absolutely love Hello Kitty and I love strawberries, and so I wanted to pick it up. Just opening it up here, just wonderful packaging. She has her logo on the top of the box, her special little cartoon of herself there. I think that's so cute. And then look at this really pretty paper. I love it. And I do plan on making some Hello Kitty junk journals using some of the items in this, as well as some other stuff that I have. But I just love it. Oh, it's so cute. Look at this. Awesome. So here's her information here. Scrappassion01 is her YouTube channel. So awesome. Here is really, oh, it's a cute little gift. That's so awesome. So she included a little strawberry cream savers candy in there, and then this really cute ice cream sundae, and this bag that's so cute. So I love that. Some really pretty tool to use within my book, and then there's all these little fun confetti sequins throughout as well. Just beautiful packaging. Here are some matching doilies that go with the color theme. Here she made some rosettes. I love the different shapes on the sides. Well, it looks like she did two rosettes and kind of put them together, different sizes, so it just, that, I love that effect. Here are some flowers that match. So pretty. It has glitter along, so she maybe have used a Wink of Stella or something like that, or the paper just has glitter in it, but those are really lovely. And then here is this really cute Hello Kitty. It has like fuzzy paper, I think. I can't remember what she said she used to make this out of here, but I'm going to open it up so you can see. And it's a dimensional sticker, I think, or just paper to glue down in a book. Really cute. And then here she made some little I think they're called cabochons. The epoxy, I think they're epoxy resin. These are really cute, and I love these bags. Let's see if I can open them. I don't want to ruin the bag. There we go. These are adorable. So it looks like they're all the same. Really cute. This would be great to make charms out of, or to put on the cover of a journal or a scrapbook. So cute. And then she made two little bows with strawberry buttons on that in the middle. Those are adorable. Oh, and she included some, this is frosted cranberry lip balm. That's cool. And then there is, looks like a strawberry. Oh, cute. So here is a Hello Kitty patch, and then there's a strawberry patch on the inside there. And then a few little stickers, some bows, a bow, and Hello Kitty. I think they're rub-on transfers is what it looks like. I love that. Oh, this is so fun. It's like jam-packed full of stuff. Here are 4 more handmade flowers. Very sparkly. Love those. And this is awesome. This is a Hello Kitty die. Has a big bow, a little bow, and then some flowers, and the Hello Kitty head there. I'm not sure what brand this is, but that's really cool. Let's see. 2 little pom-pom toothpicks. Those are super adorable. Some gold bows. And then here are some little buttons made with strawberry paper. Here is Hello Kitty lollipop, and I don't remember if this was actually, I think she may have made that out of resin as well. And then this is awesome. I love this strawberry tulle. I've never seen that before. That's really pretty. Here is a big fuzzy Hello Kitty head. Really cool. I love how she made it with the fuzzy fabric. A couple of straws that match. Here are a couple, or 2 cards that say Hello and Kitty. They're cutouts. And then the strawberry impression on the paper, I don't know if that is, I need to re-watch her video because she may have said how she did this, but it looks like maybe she had an embossing folder that embossed the strawberries on the paper. I would love to know, Betty, where you picked that up. If you didn't know, I also make strawberry shortcake journals, so anything strawberry and Hello Kitty I love. So that would be a wonderful item to have, a strawberry embossing folder to, you know, further make the paper and stuff for my journals. She included this little baggie of tags that have, it has white with gold tags, some pink tags, and then a couple big pink with gold glitter tags on the bottom there. Here is another little cabochon, and it is the, I don't know the name of this little guy, but it is the bunny rabbit from Hello Kitty. So cute. And this adorable little strawberry bag is cute too. There are some toothpicks in here made from strawberry, felt strawberries. Super cute. There's a bunch of little things in here. So here are the toothpicks. These are adorable. And then there are some little stuffed strawberries. I have these. I love them. The ones with the sequins. I don't have these though. Some little polka dot strawberries. And then here are a couple strawberry charms. Those are awesome. Okay, I'm going to put these down in the bottom of the box here. So much to go through here. Here is a couple keychains. Looks like, or one keychain. It's a strawberry, a big strawberry. And that's the tag. Really cute. Love that. That'll be fun to put on the side of, like with the tassel on the side of my journals. Here are a couple cute little frames. Tiny little frames. Really cute. And then she made a bunch of little words, like maybe dyed them or cut them with a Cricut. Let's see. So there's one that says, "Life is sweet." And then strawberry. So very sweet. I like you very much. Fresh picked. These are really cute. You are very cute. Those are adorable. And then there's some die cut strawberries. Looks like 2 different colors of pink. A lighter pink and a little bit darker than that. Here are some pink satin bows. Those are really cute. And then here are some more rosettes made from the strawberry paper. Let's see, here's a little packet of sequin mix. I think there's a hole in it though, because it's all in the bottom, but that's fine. I can dig it out. Yeah, I think the hole, anyway, that's fine. Okie dokie. Then, this cute little Hello Kitty little organizer tray, and it comes packed full of really cute cabochons. Let's see if I can, there we go. So there's some strawberries, a couple that say Hello Kitty, and then there's some Hello Kitty heads, and then a bunch of sweets and stuff, like little cupcakes, some hearts, some candies that say sweet on them, some donuts, and then let's see, there's some that say they're like an M&M. So there's pink and blue. Let's see, a whole bunch in here. There's some little a little heart lollipop that says love. Just a bunch of little cabochons that'll make cute little charms. Awesome. And I love that the case is Hello Kitty head. Let's see, get them back in here so the lid will close. And do that in a little bit. Oh, and then look at this awesome Hello Kitty die cut. So pretty. And then she included a sheet of the Paper Studio pink rhinestones. And then the Prima little 6x6 pad. That's called strawberry milkshake. That's what it's called. So really cute paper. Let's see, I can take the I want you to be able to see the papers here. Peel this off. All right, this is good. I think we can flip through here. Really cute. Now, let me pull this side off too. And I apologize if you hear my air conditioner going on and off. It's really hot. And a lot of times I can turn the air off and then film, but it just gets too hot right now. So this has 32 sheets and 8 double-sided designs, 4 of each. So really cute, adorable. There's that side. Just go this way here. There's 4 of those, and then there's that one, and on the other side it's a strawberry with roses pattern. And then here's another really cute one. And it's kind of a plain paper on the other side. This one looks like some cut aparts. Really cute. and a brick pattern on the other side. This is very shabby chic, I think. Really cute. And a bigger strawberry on the other side. This one has little tags. This would be a fun 12 by 12 set to have too. I should look into that. And it has that on one side. Oh, this is so adorable. Another set of cut aparts. And then it looks like an invoice. Appears to be in French, I think. Not sure. And then on the other side has the polka dots. And that is it. That's so cute. Okay. Last few things here is another Hello Kitty card that she made. This is actually a shaker on inside the sunglasses. This is so adorable. Try and get it open. Here we go. This is really cute. So in there are tiny little sequins. It's so cute. And then here is a sheet, a face mask. Hello Kitty. That's adorable. All right, I think that's it. And all the fun sequin mix is in the bottom here, so I'll just have to gather that all up and put it back in a different, I'll have to get a little container or another little bag to put them in. So super cute. I love it. Thank you, Betty. I was super excited when he still had them available. So I'll have a link for her channel down below. You can check out. She is always posting things that she's made, and she has a little a business selling kits like this and destashes and things like that, as well as making awesome crafts and sharing what she makes and stuff. So go ahead and check her out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment and subscribe, and I will see you again next time. This is Kim with Creative Crafticality. Bye. God bless.